To make the launcher, you first require the drawing or the printout of the launcher. This is the world's power launcher which comes with the Savior Valkyrie, and I drew the launcher. You can also get the printout. So you will need different stacks of the cardboard pieces. So this is in the shape of launcher, and you can see there is a plastic piece between the pieces where the axle will go for the launcher of the loader. You can easily see it's little bit thick. Then second type of thickness would be like this. You can see they are much more hollow than this one. Hollow than this one, and in this area is for the thread. I will later paste it, and this piece goes beneath it, and this will come up like this, and it will this much thick. Then the next type of pieces you will require is this. Let me take it off. So these are two types of pieces. You can easily see this. So guys, the launcher is pretty much ready. So let me show you. It looks like this from the inside. You can see, and how it works like this. Goes like this, and then you can see the speed. So guys, before pasting this, please insert this thing because it is important. If you forget to insert it, it will got a problem and create some problem. So first insert this like this. Yep, now it's tight. And then this piece like this. Add paste one another piece so that it looks much more thicker and more durable. So this is my original Takara Tomy, not original, I mean this is the Takara Tomy one that the normal releases, and this is the Astro Speaker in left mode. So let me show you how this works, and similarly it will also work. So you can see it's spinning perfectly and smoothly. The launcher is alright, the perfect. You can see it. So you can see that this part is being changed. The loader has been changed, and the axle which was extra long, I had cut it, and I put a ball bearing inside it which make it more smoother. You can see ball bearing format above. So you can see the ball bearing from above, and let me show you how much smooth it is. Just like this. Now let me do a test spin. So this is the Savior Valkyrie right spin. So this is right now in right spin. So just as you can see, it spin very smoothly, and this was a light launch. Now a left spin. Is now in left spin. I recoiled it. You can also hold your Beyblade just like your real launcher can hold. You can see. So guys, that was the video, and thanks for watching.